changing, rearranging me, just beginning my own surgery.